Alright, so we're working through this pallet of Amazon mystery boxes. These look a little different. They're all brown tape. These are overstocked from a while ago, so I'm just working through them and processing them for the store. So we're about to open this one up, and the goal is to sell the stuff inside and make a profit. We sell the stuff in our store and on eBay. These boxes have been pretty good so far, so let's see what this one's like. So this looks like some kind of a blanket. Mr. Zebra flannel blanket, 50 by 70 inch. Alright, so not the right season for those, but I'll still take them. So we've got 2 of those. So we're going to open a new box on my tracking software, and we're going to put in 2 bedding items. So it marks it down as about $5 value on those. And then I'm going to take this bedding and put it in this box here to be processed at a separate date. We process certain categories at different times. We process them separately. Some stuff goes on the shelves straight away and some gets processed out. So this is some pet food, and it went out in February, so I'm going to put those in the bin. Don't like to put things that are too far past Best Buy in the bins. On the shelves. So these are a pair of shoes, so we're going to mark those as shoes. Then what do we got here? Some orange lemonade. What are they? They're Best Buys in 27. So we've got 1, 2, 3 of those. So we're going to scan it here in the system and get a price. So the AI is going to automatically read the UPC code, and then it's going to bring up a price. So it says it's worth $2.69, and it's recommending we price it at $1.49. And I've got 3 of them, and the expiration date is 07/31/2027, and it's going to go in pantry, and we're going to hit list, and then it's going to go straight away to my Square inventory, and also print the labels for the shelf. So we're going to put these in, put the labels on these, and then put them on the cart. So my employee comes and gets all the products and puts them on the shelves for me. So these we're just putting in the bins. Nobody's really got time for face masks anymore. I think most people got PTSD when it comes to face masks. These are kind of cool. What are they? Chain for keys or wallets. So alright, so we listed them at $2.49 a piece. We had 10 of them, so that brings the total box value so far to $46.37. Now that price is what I expect to get from it, not the retail price. The retail price is at least double that. So let's see, what is this? This is a Gerber knife. These are cool, this will sell quick. So let's get a price on that. So again, my AI is just looking at the UPC, come back at $14.56, and it recommends pricing it at $6.99. So this should be gone probably by the end of the day, honestly. So we're going to put that right there, and we get put out later on. So we've got a bunch of these. These are size small. Since we have so many, I'll show you what they look like. They're long sleeve, it's kind of like a dress. So this is going to go in my winter box clothing, so we'll put these out in winter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and the box is getting full. I'm going to have to get rid of that one. And then what's this? This is a summer bathing suit, so that goes in the summer clothes. This is heavy, another winter item, so it's 2. So we're going to put in 10 clothing items. And this is another blanket, so we're going to put in bedding, 1. And we've got this electronic toothbrush replacements. Just going to put those in the bins because it's just a Chinese knockoff brand. So I'm not going to waste my time putting those on the shelves. This is a phone case, gets listed separately. Coat, summer item, winter. So 1. Another blanket, so this was blanket heavy, so 1 of those. And what have we got in here? Let's see, Those blankets will do really well in winter. This looks like soy sauce. Kikkoman. Let's check the Best Buy on it. It is 2027, so we're good. So we'll go ahead and list this, see what it comes back as. Gluten-free, no preservatives added. Alright, sounds good. Came back at $10.98, so we're going to put it at $7.99. List item. Come on. Alright, there we go. Goes in pantry. Trash. And what's this? This is a bin item. This is a V-neck sleeveless shirt. Goes in summer. So I'm going to put one for clothing. That one goes in the bin. And let's see, last two items. We've got a tool tip replacement. Okay, don't know what that is. And same thing. These are both going in the bins. I have no idea what they are. And I don't have the time to figure it out. Or the desire. 1, 2. Alright, so not a fantastic box. Pretty average, honestly. So we're at $116.83 on that one. Yeah, most of it's going to sell in winter. The blankets and the winter clothing. But yeah, that's it. That's an Amazon mystery box. Hope you enjoyed.